Yeah, I know the heat ain't get it done, but in this video, we got another how to style. This time is on the Street Flyware Shanghai Nike SB Dunk Gardenia. And if you haven't, check out my video of like a up close and personal review on this sneaker. I feel like it's underrated. It's been slept on. This sneaker is fire. So you know I had to double back and put together some pieces to turn up the heat. Hit the B-roll. Look how pretty this. Look at the blue, guys. Look at the green, man. And if you don't know, I got a Jeep Wrangler, the same color as green. That's what really drew me to the sneaker before I read and did my research on it. But enough talking. Let's start with these Kit for USA shorts, guys. Like, it's no green in it. But man, look at the gray stars on top of the blue. The same gray and blue combination you get in the middle of that sneaker. Silver heavy tips, and it's Kith, so you know the material's right. Even this blue here from the U and the USA is a perfect match. There go your Kith logo there. But the overall shorts, the gray and the blue, man, perfect match. I know StockX still have these. I just don't know the price range on these. I was lucky enough to get them for retail. I know in the B-roll I showed y'all different Kit for USA shorts. That's why I tell y'all, pay attention to the B-roll. There'll be some things in there I don't put in front of the camera. That's also a perfect match. But man, I really like this match. Staying shorts is the Paris shorts from my good friends at Bravest Studios. They coming, guys. They not at Eric Emmanuel yet, but they're fire. If you don't know them, they're known for making the Louis Vuitton and the Gucci shorts that people were going crazy over. You can also look on StockX and get those for like resale, maybe like $20 more than it costs, because retail on these shorts are usually $75. I got a whole bunch of them, but this match particular, the Paris Goyard look, is a dead-on match. Is again a play on that blue and gray and that white. Not lime green in it yet, but quality shorts for a good price. Not yet at that lime green, but definitely hits of that. Yeah, hits of that in his shirt is the undefeated Dodgers championship shirt. Now the front has every color you need to match the Gardenias, the blue, the gray, the white, even the green from the baseball field. But what I really like about this shirt, besides the thickness and the quality, is the back, guys. Every Los Angeles Dodger championship they ever won right there with the undefeated logo is super dope. I'm not a Dodger fan, I'm a Laker fan, but the Dodgers is okay with me, man. Again, you got the undefeated logo at the bottom too. This shirt wasn't an instant sellout, so I don't know if you're lucky enough to have an undefeated in your city. You'll be able to go and probably pick this up. They also have another shirt that's like revert of this color, but still will match. Getting closer to that lime green again is the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air bait crew neck. Now, of course, it's not a dead-on match because you got a whole bunch of colors in this, but that is what's expected when it comes to bait. But if you look at Will Smith, Fresh Prince's character, you got every color in that sneaker, plus his hat is the blue. That's that blue that's dominant on the Gardenias. So I really like the match. Not a perfect match, but I really like this match. Now getting dead on spot with that little lime green we got in the back of the sneaker is the Supreme shirt. And it reads, who the is Supreme? I didn't really say the curse word, but that's what it says. And it's a dead on match. You got that tennis ball lime green overall tee, and then you got the silver in it, same silver that we see in the inline of the sneaker sandwich in the blue from the white. Dead on match, guys. These Orlando Magic shorts here, I like the match because the blue and the gray shining light material look. But I usually reserve these shorts for like my Penny Hardaway foams or the Air Penny 2s that just dropped. But if you own these, put them together, guys. Spot on match. Hats. I showed y'all the Dodgers undefeated shirt. It's only right I show you the hat. The hat is a perfect match. Let me explain. You got that nice blue that's all over the sneaker. Of course, you got the white LA logo. But if you get the one with the gray dot, gray bottom, it's a spot on match, guys. Snap back at that. I know, everything always comes back to the Lakers. This is the Lakers Minneapolis jersey when they went Minneapolis, but the match is perfect. Again, you got that blueberry blue, white writing from the Los Angeles logo. And again, if you get a gray bottom, it's super dope. But this happens to be like a light blue. Another play on the sneaker gives you another element. I like this look. And last but not least, not the most popular team, but if you live in Seattle, it is. And y'all got my man Wilson, so it's a match. Green, blue, gray, throwback Seahawks jersey. You don't even see the Seahawk like this no more. And this is a perfect color, man. New Era logo's blue. Then you go back to the blue again with the snapback, but the all green is dope. How much did I pay? $27.99. Yes, sir. I had a lot of other joints that I could have matched with this green. As I told y'all, my truck is green, so I kind of get this match whenever it comes out. Air Max 95s. I think the Jordan 4s came out in that tennis ball green. But I just wanted to give y'all like the perfect match for this sneaker. I wish I had like a Shanghai tee or something. That'd be dope in these colors too, just to bring everything together. But man, this is a dope sneaker, and I had to do the How to Style. I mean it. You need help securing anything you've seen in this video, pricing, sizing, hit me up. I got you ASAP. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.